films and series are limited to an extent, the world of anime is uninhibited. If you can dream it and draw it, it can come to life. I often find most movies and TV shows rather predictable, but I really appreciate how anime can be so imaginative that I often can't anticipate what will come next in their stories. And it is this imagination and world building that has grown such cult followings for manga and anime series. This new Tissot PRX 40mm UFO Robot Grendizer Special Edition may seem like an unexpected team-up, but it is more fitting than you might expect, and stands to entice a whole new audience to one of the strongest entry-level mechanical watches in the game. A shared element of the PRX and UFO Robot Grendizer is that they were both born in the 70s, but this collaboration is very timely now as the anime was recently rebooted in a new series called Grendizer U. I'm not super familiar with its universe, but interestingly the original UFO Grendizer's anime success, while contested in Japan, found more irrefutable success in Europe and the Middle East. In fact, the French dub was the first ever anime series to be telecast in France, and its theme song even achieved platinum status in the region, perhaps why UFO Grendizer was on the radar of this Swiss watchmaker. With anime unrightfully construed as childish at times, such a mashup has to be careful, as you do not want to make a quality Swiss watch seem like a toy. Now, I have not really dug into the specs yet because the larger framework of the watch is no different. It largely remains what we already know and love: a 40mm PRX watch, 100 meters water resistant in stainless steel, on a steel interchangeable bracelet with an 80-hour Powermatic 80 automatic movement exhibited beneath a mineral crystal. Ultimately, the novelty of this release is found beneath the frontside sapphire crystal, its special UFO Grendizer blue dial, although the dark and winding rotor does boast a special engraving as well. But back to the dial. A rich blue sunburst dial is certainly a common hue and finish, but its distinction is its incorporation of the bust of UFO Robot Grendizer, and this is not printed on the dial. While a 2D illustration, the depth you will notice stems from the fact this bust is actually the result of a superluminova filling. So the hours and minutes hands, the hour indices, and the Grendizer bust all glow, though it appears the hands and indices glow a bit more strongly. I actually think it was very wise Tissot moved its branding towards the 6 o'clock position, almost like an emblem in the center of the bust, like Superman's signature S. The dial also has a few more Easter eggs: its Harken style second hand, and an inner bezel engraving at the 12 o'clock position with the name of the anime in Japanese. An anime unrelated distinct feature about this particular PRX purists will love is that it's the first ever PRX Powermatic 40mm model to omit a date complication from the dial. That being said, it has not necessarily been omitted from the movement itself, as you will notice a ghost position as you operate the crown, but that's no biggie. The Tissot PRX 40mm UFO Robot Grendizer Special Edition, as its name suggests, also features special packaging, with a box modeled after the Spazer, Grendizer's UFO, and its box sleeve features Go Nagai's original drawings. And for those who don't know, Go is credited with birthing the wildly popular super robot genre. So it's fair to say that this collaboration is a merging of two rather historic worlds. Looking at the watch, I think Tissot struck a great balance between keeping what has already made the PRX a fan favorite while tastefully incorporating Grendizer. What do you think about this collaboration watch? And would you like to see more no-date PRX watches? Let us know in the comments. The Tissot PRX 40mm UFO Robot Grendizer is available now as a special edition priced at $825 US. Thanks for watching, but before you head off, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world, and if you do, you'll be apprised of the latest watch reviews, news, and content. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.